For this question, we're going to solve the inequalities for rational. So for rational function here, rational inequalities. So rules, the first rule is you cannot cross multiply. So this is cross multiply will bring your method or your concept to the wrong track. Okay, so why we cannot cross multiply? Because you can see x is unknown. And then when unknown plus 2, you don't know this is positive or negative. Then when you time with positive and negative uncertainty, your inequality sign will be affected. Therefore, to solve rational inequalities, move everything to the left hand side. Let the right hand side 0. Then for these two fractions, we're going to get same to the denominator. Samakan penyebut, where this one we will time with the denominator of 1 plus 2x, and 2 will time with x plus 2. Then for this fraction, we're going to simplify until a single fraction and in factorized form. So denominator no need to expand. We want to in the form of factorize. And you can notice here 2x minus 2x can be cancelled, can be simplified. And before we factorize, we can divide by 4 to simplify this quadratic so that it becomes x squared minus 1. Then lastly, we factorize this one, x squared minus 1, it will be x plus 1, x minus 1. Then by using positive number line, let all the factors here to be positive. And bear in mind, for denominator factor, it cannot equals to 0, so it can more than 0 only. Then we can start drawing our number line. We have 4 points. Then you will have 5 regions. Arrange your point in order. Start from the smallest value to the biggest value. Then we start plotting this positive number line. So for the first interval, more than equal -1, so you drag it to the right hand side. For this region, you denoted it as positive. Where the region have line in it is positive sign. The region without line is negative sign. Then continue for x more than 1, so to the right hand side. So this region positive, this region no line negative, this region no line negative, this region no line negative. Continue for x more than. So more than not equal, empty circle, drag it to the right hand side, more than. So positive, 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 positive. This is no line region, negative. Then continue for the last one, more than -1/2. So positive, positive. Here is negative, negative, negative. Conclude up this one, multiply. So multiply all these factor, multiply all these 4 factor. We are going to find for positive region. So here, lastly, we need to select the region as your final answer. So write our answer in solution set. So this one is x less than not equal -2, and then in between -1 is included, -1/2 is not included. Continue, another region is x more than because this region is at the right hand side of the one more than equal 1.